This 2015 Audi Q7 3.0T Premium Plus has a desirable black exterior and comfortable black leather interior. Factory equipped with an impressive 3.0-liter TFSI V6 double overhead cam engine and 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission, this 2015 Audi Q7 3.0T Premium Plus produces an impressive 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. Add in the road handling of the Quattro all-wheel drive system, and this 2015 Audi Q7 3.0T Premium Plus is built for perfection. A few of the Q7 3.0T Premium Plus's valuable features include a panoramic sunroof, Bose surround sound system with 14 speakers, and audio pilot noise compensation. Other desirable features include the four-wheel anti-lock braking system and steering wheel audio controls, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, and leather interior. It has keyless entry and power windows and technology package. It has a HomeLink system, and it has a rain-sensing windshield, and much, much more. In addition to this Q7 3.0T Premium Plus, we have 44 other Q7s like this one in stock at Audi Auto Gallery, located at 21301 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.